In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this kind of stunning thumbnail in a very easy way. You don't need any kind of creativity. You just need a free trial of Thumbnail Creator. And I have given a specific link that will give you a good amount of discount if you click on that and start your free trial. Now, these thumbnails are not part of my creativity. It is created by AI by using a reference of this thumbnail. As you can see here, I have simply clicked on here and clicked on share and copied it and pasted that link at above at here. That is the process that I'm going to show you. And as you can see here, there is a different phrase, different kind of thumbnail. There are various variation, okay? And I have used it in one of my YouTube video and I was able to grab a 7% CTR in thumbnail that is been created by ThumbnailCreator.com. So I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to log in. Okay, so let's do it by logging in. Now, as you can see here, you see this kind of screen. You don't need to hover anywhere. You just need to paste the URL of the desired videos thumbnail that you need. Okay, so simply refresh the screen and see what kind of thumbnail you need. Either you need this kind of, let's say your topic is like this, okay, and you see this kind of thumbnail, just click on there and click on share. Okay, copy this thumbnail. Now just simply go to thumbnailcreator.com and paste it. It is as simple as this. Okay, just click on generate. Now you can add your own face, that is your thing. Okay, but for now I'll skip it. You can add a product if there is any specific product that you want to be appeared in the video, sorry, in thumbnail. And if there is any custom instruction, you can give it, but generally I skip all of this part and we are going to generate 3 thumbnails at here. So just click on generate thumbnail and wait for few seconds. So it says few minutes, so let's wait. So as you can see in the screen right now, there are 3 thumbnails created. Now let's see the original thumbnail at here. So here you can see his face, and here you can see, sorry, here you can see this face is totally different, created by AI.